Okay, I neglected to say this in the beginning of this vlog or the entire vlog. I need to say something. So stay put, I guess, the video, watch the whole thing. You know, I don't know if the title's gonna say that, but yeah, I'm giving away something. I'll probably put it in the middle of the vlog or at the end of the vlog, but who knows? So stay put, stay put. Watch the whole damn thing. Alright, alright.
Mr. Imprint Custom. Ayan o. Ayan o. Thank you. Thank you. So, Imprint Custom. Garage. I'll flash all the info on the video.
Yeah, brother.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna show you guys what's in there in a little while.
So, we're back at the house. No Z1000 kasi nasa labas. So, like I said, this video is sponsored by... If you guys order a shirt from me, you might have seen their logo on the shirt. Saan pa nakalagay? Here. If you guys ordered this shirt, Gian, the guy that you saw earlier, has sponsored this video with this. It's my assistant. Come here.
No. Hi!
He gave me 1, 2, and 3 shirt.
Ay, may JMAC pala dito. Oh, huh?
It's a Kawasaki Z1000 shirt. And yes, the Imprint JMAC. Yeah, right there. Collaboration. Right there. We got the orange. I got the orange bike. And another Imprint right there. Tinatad ng Imprint, syempre. And on the sleeve also. And of course, on the other sleeve,
Cool.
is the JMAC again. There's one.
Akin na itong green. Akin na lang itong green.
We got the green because Kawasaki is green.
My favorite green
And
one.
JMAC wants it. The last one is just pure black and white. Let me model it for you guys. Yung effect na ano. Ganyan. Oh! See? Just like that. Imprint.
JMAC.
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 Yeah. Let's try the other one. Try the green one. Katumawa, sinira mo yung shit eh. Here it is, the green one. If you have a green bike. Last one. It's my favorite color. It's my favorite one, the orange. If you like this shirt, head to Imprint Customs or Facebook Imprint. Here's his Facebook, his contact number, his Instagram. Alright, baboosh! Or, no wait, we have to do the motovlog part, okay?
Do this tire thing. That will work, right?
Komportable ka ba, Brad? Paano yan? Baka maano ka dyan, babe.
Motovlog is life. Shirt by Imprint. Matalino, matalino.
Arriba, arriba!
Hello, everybody. So, in case you're wondering, look at the traffic. Just in case you're wondering, I'm wearing different color shirt and a different color helmet compared to the first video or the beginning part of this vlog that you saw. And I don't know if you noticed, I also had a wheel around my waist, but I don't have it anymore. You know, hashtag motovlogging problem. We're not gonna bitch about what happened, like this and like that. The point is, I had to reshoot it and explain to y'all on why am I talking about the Imprint shirt and why did I had a wheel around my waist, or why did I pull off a, damn it, traffic, for the views. that, dude. I don't know if I mentioned this on the beginning part, but you can order this shirt. The one that I'm wearing right now, it has a graphic of the Kawasaki Z1000. You can order this shirt through Imprint Customs. You can contact him through Facebook, Instagram. I'm gonna leave all the links down in the description. This is a sublimation shirt, so meaning it's not your ordinary cotton shirt. It's somewhat like a jersey, or it's a dry fit, or I don't know whatever you want to call it. It's perfect for riding since it's got some airflow going in, or you can wear this inside your jacket, inside your whatever, and you'll still feel like $1,000,000. Woo! God damn it, traffic. Sorry. And you might be wondering, JMAC, why do you keep saying Imprint? Why do you keep saying Imprint Custom? First of all, this is a sponsored video. Courtesy of Imprint Customs, as you see on my shirt. I don't know if you can see it, but it is Imprint Custom! For the views. I hate recording in here. It's too dark. And by the way, you can order the shirt, customize it, whatever you want. You can order it with the JMAC logo, as you saw earlier on the video. You know, me showcasing the shirt. Right there. You guys can have that, or whatever you want. You can have JMAC logo in it, or your name in it, on it. Yeah. Just tell the owner you saw him yourself. His name is Gian.
One look and then you iba na malagkit do.
For the view. So with that out of the way, let's move on to the next thing I want to explain or want to talk about. Fucking I hate coming here. Woo! C5 rush hour, always the best. Again, for the millionth time, don't try this. You know, passing through the right side. You know, there is a truck line designated for trucks. Oh no, it's turning right. Technically, this is not a sidewalk, so I'm all good. Alright, the second thing that I want to explain to y'all, why did I have a tire around my waist? Because the old tire of this puppy was all worn out, it's all baldy, and I had it replaced right here at Kawasaki Libis. Kawasaki Libis, yeah. And here is the video of it.
Ay, gano'n? Oo dumudulas eh. Archie po. Archie. May Kawasaki kayo. Si Archie. Kayo ang head mechanic dito. Apo. I'll introduce you to the other mechanic here at Kawasaki Libis, si Norman. Ayan. Ayun. Saan nyo pahawak yung motor nyo? Pahawak. Mali. Pagalaw. Ay hindi. Paayos.
Archie, thank you. Ito si Archie. Thank you kuya. Thank you. New tires. And right here we got Imprint Customs. Ito pala tignan yung motor mo na.
Talaga?
Oo.
Kahit kalawang?
Oo. Bakit nga, damihan mo pa eh.
Tignan tayo ko dyan, nakakasabay kita.
Nope, it's it's not in the middle part. So you gotta have to keep moving on. I'm not gonna tell you which part of this vlog that I'm gonna be doing the giveaway. So keep watching, dog, and stop skipping the video or something. Let's keep moving on.
Woo! Lapik! Shout out what happened! So shout out again to Kuya Archie, the lead mechanic at Kawasaki Libis. Man, they are so cool there! Woo! And shout out to Kawasaki Libis for the very nice hospitality. They gave me water and coffee. And the fact that they made me watch while they work on my bike. Because apparently you can't go back there while they're working on your bike. But they were so cool to let me back there. So I had those shots. Coolie Porsche. For the views. So if you guys got a Kawasaki Z1000 or any Kawasaki, take it there, dog. And again, I want to mention Kuya Archie again, because not only that he changed my tire, he also checked the brake pad and he saw that it was completely out. Thank you, Kuya Archie. Mabuhay ka. The important thing is the back tire got changed, was replaced. Where's your helmet, dude? So I'm all good with the Speedy Gonzalez again, and that is why you haven't seen me running all over the expressway lately. You haven't seen me at NLEX, SLEX, SCTEX, Scoutex, you know, all of it. So that it. No helmet?
Exempted.
Huh?
Exempted.
You can't fit? Oh, because of your... But be careful though. You're right safe now. Woo! What's up, dudes? Why you stop there? Sadad! Bakit anong binabati ako? Bubusina ka. Woo! Shout out to you, dude. Anyway, to whoever who's riding that Mio, dude, shout out to you too. Or shout out to you. Hold on and get your name. If you're what? Ninja. If you're watching right now, leave your comment and tell me that's you. Woo! For the views. Sadad. Yo, dude. Oh yeah, right in front of the line. Police! Let the police go! Ah! Let him pass, let him pass. Hey, oh, it's an ambulance. Ambulance! So, there you go. That's the move! That's a good one. He was there when it was red light. He came here thinking that he was gonna turn right, but no. Filipino drivers. Filipinos! Oh, honks! Woo! That was close. Thank you, dude. You saved me. For the views. Turn left, he says. Turn left! He says. Aside, dude. Oh shit. Go, dudes. Hey, that guy was on a red light, but oh, this one. Saan pwede park to? Third floor. Okay. Dahil
Magtatagal hanggang hapon.
Hindi naman siguro mga 1-2 oras.
Anong search mo?
Hindi, may ka-meeting kasi ako dito. Yung sa Patras gagawin ko. Sabi niya dito, we have to follow the rules. Alright, I'll be back. Very cool.
Out of the blue, I'm feeling so true.
And just like that, meeting was over. It's over. Thank you. I guess this vlog is pretty much so long now, and there's nothing else to talk about. That's all, dudes. I guess I'm gonna be ending the vlog here now. You guys will soon find out what that meeting was all about, but not right now. Alright, cool. Alright, baboosh. Oh yeah, Imprint Customs, dude. Get your shirt, get the Kawasaki Z1000 JMAC edition. You can contact Imprint by Facebook, Instagram, and all that. And so yeah, alright, there you guys. Thank you guys for watching this crap, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Wait.
You reached the end of this video. Good for you. And again, the shirt is so comfortable. It's like yeah, y'all see all that thing? Hang on. So you saw all those things that I throw on here. So by the way, that is Gian. He's the owner. It's so soft. It's so soft. Oh. Yeah, owner of Imprint Custom, and he told him 5, but I mean, what the heck, dude? He gave me like a bunch of them. So y'all see this Tyre goodies. Come here, Gian. Come here. This guy has graciously given me all of this shirt and all of these caps. I mean, there's a lot of shirt and there's a lot of caps. You know what I'm saying? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it all away. Yeah, giveaway. All right, dude. I'm gonna put you right here. I'm gonna give away all of this shirt and all this beautiful caps to you. Hang on, I'm gonna give it to you. Yeah, you. I'm gonna give this away. Of course, there's this one thing I need you to do. If you want to win some of this Imprint Custom shirt and Imprint Custom track caps, this is so cool. There's like a lot of. If you want to win some of this stuff, all you have to do is share this video, share it to your Facebook page or whatnot, or what, Imprint Customs, or go like their Facebook page. Share this video in your Facebook page, or the hashtags. I said hashtags. Oh. With the hashtags, hashtag Imprint Customs, hashtag JMAC motovlog, and hashtag shirt happens. You know the deal is. You know the deal. Share these videos with those hashtags, and I want you to screen picture or whatever that you shared it on your Facebook page, and wait for my post on my Facebook regarding the Imprint shirts, blah blah blah. And all you gotta do is comment on that post with a picture, the screen capture of the picture that you shared this video with the proper hashtags. I'm gonna put it in Tagalog, so I know some of y'all will mess this up. So gusto nyong manalo ng mga Imprint. Oh, this is good. Imprint, dude, this is tight. So, kung gusto nyo manalo ng isa sa mga Imprint t-shirt or Imprint caps, ang kailangan nyo lang gawin ay share ang video na to sa inyong Facebook account na may kasamang hashtag na hashtag Imprint Customs, and hashtag JMAC motovlog, and hashtag shirt happens. Ganun lang kasimple yun. Kapag na-share nyo na, picturean nyo yung Facebook account nyo na na-share nyo. Tapos, hintayin nyo na mag-post ako sa Facebook page ko, which I suggest na i-follow nyo or i-like nyo, JMAC motovlog. Yeah, anyway, pag nakita nyo yung post na yun, comment down yung picture or yung screen capture na sinare nyo tong video na to with the hashtags, and winner chicken dinner. Alright, before we go, let's see what Custom got us. Dude, this is cool. Oh, they got the jersey. Dude, Oh, oh, dude, the regular Imprint custom shirt. There you go. Jersey right here. Dope. Pretty dope. Oh yeah. What open this one? Oh, this is. I guess I am really giving this away. Oh, we got the caps. Forgot about the caps. Regular caps. This is the same material. Oh, this is dope. It's embroidery. Haha. If you want this, yeah. So if you want all that stuff, do what I do. Do the things that I said that you will do, and I will select winners. Imprint custom. There you go. Facebook, Instagram, and the website apparently. Special shout out again to these guys. Thank you for being the first one to sponsor this channel. Mabuhay. Alright guys, that's it. That's the end of my vlog. I know there's more talking than writing. Like I said, don't forget the hashtags, and share it, and screen cap it, and then, yeah, wait till I post that. Alright, on my Facebook. Wait till I post it. Wait till I post it. Hey guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Baboosh! This is the real baboosh. Alright. Yeah, last thing about the sharing part. Yeah, I'm still giving this away to you. You'll smell like JMAC. When I post the thing on Facebook, you gotta make sure that you already shared it this time, the day that you watched it. So I'm gonna priority first the ones who share it the longest. And I guess there's a lot of them. The longest one shares the video will be prioritized to be given a giveaway first. Alright, that's it. Okay, yeah, bye.